Namaste, dear students of class 9 and 10. I am Tumpuri Srivani from Bharatiya Vidya Bhavans, BHL, Arsipuram, Hyderabad. Today I am in front of you to discuss 10th class English sample question paper. This sample was released in the month of October 2020, which is based on rationalized syllabus. Hence, it's very important for you. So let us quickly dive into it and look into the paper. Now, children, the question paper consists of two sections, that is section A and section B. Unlike previous years, it was divided into three sections, but now it is only two sections. Now, let us look into the questions in detail. Now, question number 1 and question number 2 are based on unseen comprehension passages. Each one carries 10 marks. They have multiple choice questions. So 12 questions will be given, out of which only 10 has to be written. Okay. So you are familiar with this kind of questions, children. So you will not have any problem with it. Now, next coming to the major change that is made is literature part being inducted into section A, wherein question number 3 and question number 4 will be based on seen comprehension passages, that is from the book's First Flight or from Footprints Without Feet. Two passages will be picked and will be given here. Each passage carries 5 marks. So it means that you have to be thorough with literature text. Okay. Now, the next part in section A is the grammar part. In grammar, you will have 3 questions. Now, question number 5 is choose the correct options and filling the blanks. Here, choice will not be given. One paragraph will be given and you have to pick from the choice and filling the blanks. Question number 6 is also similar to question number 5. You have to pick the right choices and filling the blanks. Now, there is slight difference in question number 7, where probably a comic strip will be given or a picture might be given, and based on the picture reading, you have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct options. So here options will be provided and then you have to fill in the blanks based on the given options, which will carry 4 marks. Okay. Now coming to section B, which is purely writing based on writing tasks. Question number 8, you have formal letter with choice. That is, 2 letters will be given and you have to write one of them. And the question carries 5 marks. Question number 9, a new question is added, that is analytical writing based on graphs. This will be based on choices again, which carries again 5 marks. Then you have literature part. Literature part carries 30 marks. Now here is also a drastic change in the questions and allotment of marks, children. Please pay attention. Question number 10 will have 2 sets of questions. Okay, 2 sets of questions. That is, set A will have 3 questions and set B will have 3 questions. So what you have to do, you have to pick 2 questions from set A, which carries 2 marks, and you have to pick 2 questions from set B, which carries 2 marks. So set A is for 4 marks and set B is for 4 marks. Altogether, this will be for 8 marks. Okay, so I repeat myself, set A consists of 3 questions, out of which you have to write 2. Set B will have 3 questions, out of which you have to write 2. Okay, so there 2 into 2 4 marks, and here B set 2 into 2 4 marks. Altogether, question number 10 carries 8 marks. Now question number 11, again it is similar to 10, but 10th question, but here each question will carry 3 marks. Okay, so what you have to do, there is set A which will have 3 questions, out of which you have to write 2. Set B, which again has 3 questions, out of which you have to write 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 again is 6. So the total marks is 12. Okay. So from set A, you are writing 2 questions, which carries 3 marks. Set B, you are writing 2 questions, which again carries 3 marks. Okay. Now coming to question number 12 and 13. Both are similar here, wherein 2 questions will be given, choice questions will be given and you have to pick one. Each question will carry only 5 marks. So 12th question you will write one question, and 12th also you will write one. And there will be a choice in these two questions. Okay, so that is your sample paper for this term, children. So please keep this in mind and make sure that you prepare accordingly. Most importantly, you have to pay a lot of importance to literature part, because 40 marks are allotted to literature. So please be very careful with the text and also with question answers. With this, we come to an end of this video, children. Thanks a lot and all the best. Namaste, children.